Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Panopto software to your computer so that you can use it to record your lecture content for your classes. I'm also going to show you how to set that up on your Moodle page. Okay, so the first thing you want to do in your browser is type in sebits.hosted.panopto.com. That will take you to this login page. You will sign into Panopto in your Moodle account and click sign in. Okay, this will open up the Panopto website for Southeastern. You will see your name here where you're signed in. All you need to do to download Panopto is click right here, download Panopto. I already have Panopto on this machine, so I'm not going to click that, but when you do, it will download a file to your computer, just like when you download any software to your computer. You'll open that, you'll follow all the on-screen prompts and instructions for downloading software until Panopto is on your computer. Okay, once you've done that, you want to navigate to your Moodle course page. So from CampusNet, type in your course or go to My Moodle and select it and get to the course that you want to work with. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is integrate Panopto with your Moodle page or add what we call a Panopto block. So one of these things on the side. So to do that, click on this hamburger menu over here, scroll down to the very bottom, click Add a Block. Okay? From this Add a Block list, you'll choose Panopto. You can close this menu now. Now over here on the right hand side where the blocks are located, you will see a Panopto block. You'll see that it says this course has not yet been provisioned and provision course. You want to click Provision Course. What that does is it creates a folder tied to your class in Panopto. Okay, once it's provisioned, it will say here successfully provisioned course. You'll simply click back to course. Okay, now back on your course page, you'll see the Panopto focus block has changed in appearance. You'll see that it says completed recordings. Of course, there are no completed recordings yet because you haven't recorded anything. You'll see the podcast feeds, which is how students can download the recordings you make. And then under links, you'll want to click on course settings. This will take you back to the Panopto website for Southeastern that we were on earlier, except this time this will be open, this settings for your class. This is the folder that you just created in Panopto. So from this you want to click on share, because we want to make sure that all the students in your class will actually be able to access your recordings.
Click change, then click anyone in this org who has the link.
Okay, once those changes are saved, you can close that. That's going to be the end of this video. There's going to be a separate video where I will walk you through exactly how to use the Panopto software you downloaded to record a lecture.